Over time, milk proteins can build up and clog your milk frother. We recommend cleaning it once a week, especially after making milk-based drinks. Just pull it out. Take off the nozzle. Cleaning by the brush. Put the nozzle back on. For best foam, use fresh whole milk chilled between 5 and 7 degrees Celsius. Avoid skimmed or too hot milk, it won't froth well. Let's make the latte. Okay, let's open the grinded containers. If it's loose and there's excess water in the puck, your grind might be too fine. Try using a coarser setting. It helps reduce water retention. Want your coffee just the way you like it? So let's choose the button for the camel. This is for the standard machine setting. Let's make an Americano your way. Simply press and hold the button for 2 seconds while it's pouring. Release it when you've got the perfect amount, a full cup to kickstart your day. Your coffee, your way, perfect half cup for your chill afternoon. Light roast. Go for the fine grind, around 3 to 5 levels here. Or grinder goes from 1 to 15, 1 is the finest, 15 the coarsest. Middle roast, for the middle fine grind, set 6 to 9. Down roast, use the middle grind, 10 to 12. When you want to change the coffee taste, you can press the clean grinder for 1 second. It will help you to clean the containers. Let's clean the machine. Open the side door and put the drawers out. And take this out.